Good evening. We're going to prepare fat bombs to dilute some of our concentrate. We're going to use a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. I have some concentrate here. We have a 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese, a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, a metal bowl, a stove, and a whisk. We shall return shortly to infuse the oil. We're gonna put our 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of coconut oil into our metal bowl. We're gonna use 0.2 milliliters of our concentrate. Right now I've got 4 milliliters in here and I've warmed it, and I'm gonna push it down to the 2. And then I always pull back a little, leave some air in there. And we're going to allow that to heat up until it is nice and smooth, and do not overheat. We're gonna go ahead and continue to heat it until the oil is melted, and maybe about a minute after that for it to infuse. So be back soon. We've infused our coconut oil over low heat and stirred for a minute. I use a heat of 2 out of 10 on my stove. Notice I can still touch the edge of the bowl because you definitely do not want to overheat your concentrate. So now that we're infused, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the bowl from the heat. And I'm still gonna work on the stove top here. And we're gonna go ahead and put our cream cheese and our peanut butter in. Pardon my reach. So I'll continue with this, and then I'm going to start mixing it with my whisk. We're all mixed. We're gonna go into the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. See you soon. Are you excited? I am. We're out of the freezer now. I'm gonna use a scraper and get everything scraped off the sides, and we've got a nice smooth product there. So we take a spoon, and it can be, looks like I've got a little more here than I intended as dough wise, so we're gonna go golf ball size. I just know that I wanna make 16 so that they're about 10 milligrams each. By the magic of time lapse, these will be done shortly. We've got 16 golf ball sized fat bombs rolled out into the fridge for 5 minutes. They go. We've taken our fat bombs out of the refrigerator. They've set up. You can transfer them into a closed container. They're on parchment paper. You can just kind of pick the parchment paper up if you have a larger flat edge container. If you'd like, you can melt chocolate chips to drizzle. I'm not all about that. If you have gastroparesis or malabsorption, it's a quick little fat and protein bomb. Bon appetit.